Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to scan both sides of a document HP Smart. So without wasting any time, just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow these steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your HP Smart app, and once you're inside there, be sure to be logged into your HP account as well. Now once you're inside your HP Smart app here, what you need to do in order to scan the documents is you'll be seeing this option right here that says scan. All you gotta do is simply tap on that, and once you do that, you'll be getting this camera screen on your phone. Now all you gotta do is simply tap on this solder button to scan the front at first, and then once you're done with that, all you gotta do is scan the back of the document, and once you're done with that, your both sides of the document will be shown on the screen. So that's basically how you can scan the both sides of a document with the HP Smart app. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.